Hi everybody, so welcome to another episode of the Fire Me channel. So we're still on the coronavirus quarantine lockdown here, but today we are going to be buying a share of Virgin Galactic. Now I really love this company, and it's not because they have a great balance sheet, make tons of money, or run by Richard Branson. What I really like about Virgin Galactic is it's the future of aviation, in my opinion. Now Virgin, they're right now catering to space tourism, which out of the majors, so SpaceX and Blue Horizon and Virgin Galactic, that's the first and probably the only one right now that's doing that. They haven't launched their first commercial flight yet, but that will be coming shortly. But really the future of this isn't so much for space tourism, it's what it can do for intercontinental travel. So if you're flying from the US to Australia, for instance, right now, I think the average time is something like 17, 18 hours to fly over there. With this subspace flight, you could actually get there in under 4 hours. I think they were saying it was 3.5 hours you could actually fly from the US to Australia if you were to do that. So a huge opportunity for time saving. Just the market for this would be absolutely astronomical, especially when you're flying somewhere on the other side of the world. So say if you ever did want to fly to China again, you could fly from China to from the US to China in probably a fraction of the time, whereas now you're lucky if you could get there in a full day by the time you do the layovers and stops and all the rest of it. So great future for this company. I think if I was a betting man, I'd put this on the speculative list. We are going to build up a position for this for $1 million portfolio as our speculative stock. I'm hoping it does something like Tesla did and really takes off for us, but time will tell. But yeah, so let's go ahead and make the first trade of this, and we'll do that using the Wealthsimple Trade platform. All right, so we're going to be buying our share of Virgin Galactic, the Wealthsimple Trade platform. Okay, and let's drop down to 2190. We'll do a limit buy. Let's try to get this at 2150. Let's buy one share. All right, we'll check back in a bit and see if we have picked up that share. Got one pending order, and we'll see if we are able to get the price. All right, we're just gonna check to see if we got our trade, and we have our one share of SPCE, also known as Virgin Galactic. Okay, the trade's been executed. Once again, that was super easy to do. Now, for those of you following along with the channel, we've been using that Wealthsimple Trade platform. I love these online investing apps, especially for people with low net worth and for portfolios with a low net value. Commission-free trading. So, you know, if you're not in Wealthsimple Trade, if you're in Canada, you definitely need to do it. It's the only commission-free trading platform in Canada. If you're in the US, you got a lot more options. There's things like M1 Finance, Robinhood, of course, which everyone's heard about, and there's a handful of others as well. So you definitely need to have one of these app investment platforms. There's lots of upside to it. If you've got a bigger account, you know, there is advantages of going through a mainstream bank or broker. There's a lot more you can actually do in terms of margin trading, and various other things that we'll get into later, maybe on a future video. But yeah, anyways, so that's our trade for Virgin Galactic. Make sure you leave a comment, give the video a like, and we'll see you guys in the next video.